Hey guys, it's Asharilas here. Welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to use DiskPart utility to format a USB drive that does not work on a Windows environment. So if you have a USB drive or a hard drive that's not detected by the operating system, these steps will help you to format the drive and to use it for your day-to-day use. And without any delay, let's dive into the video and let's learn how to use DiskPart utility.
Hey guys, so as the first step, let's connect the malfunctioning USB drive to their computer. After connecting the USB drive, when you check the notification, it looks like the device is connected. However, if I go into File Explorer, I don't see the USB drive as connected. Even if I refresh the page, it doesn't seem like it's connected. Alright, now let's minimize that tab and press the Windows key and letter R to open the run menu and type cmd and hit OK. That will open up command prompt, and on the command prompt type DiskPart as one word and hit enter. Now here type list space disk and hit enter. This will list all the disks in your computer. So disk 1 is the USB drive that we're gonna format right now. So let's select disk space 1, hit enter. Now we have to clean this drive, so type clean and hit enter. And as a third step, type create space partition space primary. We're going to set this as a primary partition and hit enter. Now for the formatting option, type format space fs equal. You can use either fat, or you can use FAT32, or you can use NTFS, or you can use exFAT, EXFAT. If you have a MacBook and a Windows computer, using exFAT is ideal, but for this demonstration I'm going to use FAT32 space quick. So it's going to quickly format this drive. If you don't use the word quick, it will take forever to format any drive. So now we're going to assign the drive. So type assign and hit enter. It will assign a letter for the drive. Now type exit and exit again. So after formatting this drive, if you go back to this PC, there you go. Now you can see the USB drive and it has letter E assigned to it. And if you check the properties, it shows this device has a free space of 28.8 gig out of 32, which is ideal, and it has the FAT32 format. So that's how you format any drive that's not supported or not working on a Windows computer. This will also help you to format a hard drive before installing an operating system. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you have any question or concern, please don't forget to comment below, and I'll see you on my next video. Until then, peace out.